Greetings from the days of garish road trips. Introducing the 2026 Ford Motorhome, a revolutionary idea that combines renowned Ford durability with state-of-the-art luxury and technology. Its massive custom wheels, angular characteristics evocative of Ford SUVs, changeable LED lighting, and integrated solar panels on top for energy efficiency give it an aerodynamic and streamlined appearance at first look. The 2026 Ford Motorhome looks futuristic thanks to its state-of-the-art drivetrain, which is purportedly based on Ford's most current innovations. It may be a quiet, environmentally friendly all-electric motor or a potent, cost-effective V6 EcoBoost hybrid engine, offering a vast range for limitless experimentation. As you go inside, the modern high-tech cockpit welcomes you. The dashboard's primary feature is a high-resolution panoramic touchscreen that stretches from driver to passenger and has the most recent SYNC entertainment system, advanced navigation, and fingertip control for all motorhome functions. An ergonomic steering wheel with integrated controls and a customizable digital instrument cluster ensure a simple and enjoyable driving experience. High-end elements like metal trim, supple vegan leather, and reclaimed wood accents are combined to create modern luxury. A spacious, comfortable, multifunctional lounge that embraces the open space idea and gets an abundance of natural light from the panoramic windows serves as the main interior area. Modular furniture allows for flexible arrangement. For instance, a soft sofa may be converted into an extra bed, or an electric folding table can be utilized to create a huge eating area. The greatest possible air quality is ensured by an inventive air filtration system, and a range of ambiances are created by an adjustable LED ambient lighting system. Ford's commitment to sustainability is evident in the interior's use of robust and eco-friendly materials without compromising style. The bedroom in the back offers a peaceful retreat. Excellent sleep is ensured with a high-quality orthopedic mattress on a queen or king-size bed. Large windows with motorized shutters provide complete seclusion or expansive views. Everything is kept tidy with built-in closets, hidden drawers, and underbed storage. Separate reading illumination, USB charging ports, and an integrated smart TV make this bedroom more pleasant. The clever design of the bathroom makes the most of both space and use. The bathroom has beautiful ceramic tiles and waterproof surfaces, a high-pressure rain shower, a water-saving vacuum toilet, and a designer sink with a sensory tap. Examples of modern and practical features include an LED-lit mirror, hidden shelves for storage, and an efficient ventilation system. The kitchen in the 2026 Ford Motorhome is every chef's dream when they travel. High-end full-size appliances including a 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection oven/microwave, a dual-zone refrigerator and freezer, and a compact dishwasher are included. Luxurious quartz surfaces include undermount sinks and pull-out faucets. Ingenious cupboards and storage drawers with features like a separate cutlery drawer and an integrated garbage can offer a tidy and useful space for preparing delicious meals wherever you go.